My name is LJ Norman. I attended Skillspire from January to May, and I attended the Java and Cloud Computing program and loved it.
The biggest achievement I had was to get a job right after I completed the course. So that's a big thing for me. That's a big achievement.
I really recommend Skillspire schools to everyone who wants to get a great experience in web development and coding, because the people who work here gave me not only a knowledge but also a lot of good positive energy to move on.
I decided to learn coding, to be able to work and understand the technology.
Thanks to Skillspire School, I got an interview and internship in a company where I was able to work with other developers on a really interesting project, and this is just the beginning.
Give me confidence. I've learned Java, which is great, and the Java and the AWS, the cloud computing part of it, is very in demand right now.
They helped us look for a job and prepare us for interviews and get us interviews.
Actually got several interviews to become a software engineer. I do absolutely feel confident in my ability to code Java, and I know I can knock out a pretty tough interview pretty easily.
Skillspire is the best in so many ways, but just to mention a few, the price is very affordable. It's fair, and you don't have to quit your job to go to a Skillspire. You can still keep working and do part-time classes.
I would highly recommend it, and the reason why is one, affordability, two, it's top-notch. You get the best instruction that you could possibly get. I mean, I went to school to code, and the instruction here was on par, if not better. So another reason is just definitely the affordability.